Hi guys, what's up? You are watching Charchita Sarma and welcome back to my Saraswati Puja series of 2026. Like every year, I'm back with so many more exciting Saraswati Puja videos. Not only one, so many more are lined up. So keep yourself excited, and I just hope you like my today's video. Okay, so the name itself says this is a Meesho haul. So I have picked a few sets from Meesho. Due to time constraint, I couldn't stitch all the blouses of all the sets, but I have done for a few of them. But yes, I have done all this work, this 𝐜𝐭𝐭 and also the stitching of Mekhela and everything. And honestly, styling Assamese actor is one of my most favorite tasks to do. So number one, I think I'll be starting with this dusty green Mekhela chador. The first thing I would like to mention, this is a machine made outfit. The color I found was very eye-catchy. This is how the Mekhela look. Wow, it has a very broad work, as you can see. Now I will show you the sador. The sador looks something like this. I have not styled it yet. I just want to tell about all the outfits before I try. I went to the tailor and I have done the tassels like this with matching colors, which we call 𝐜𝐿, just like matching to this embroidery, which exactly matches the work. And then you are getting the extra blouse piece, which I have not stitched. And now guess the price. I got it for ₹530, and the quality I would say you were getting against whatever you were paying. Firstly, I styled it during evening time, and what I felt is the lighting was not that good. So next day I again styled it during daytime. As you can see the difference in my hairstyle as well. So yeah, just considering my efforts, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be really happy. Guys, before I proceed, I want to do one announcement. The thing is, this is me on Meesho, and this entire set they are selling for ₹369. So the thing is, this outfit is from one of my last year's Saraswati Puja Lookbook video, which I bought from local market, and this literally costed me around in between 2000 or 2500, which is a mixed part set. But Meesho is using my pictures without even my permission, and they are selling it for ₹369. So it's a disclaimer that I just want to clarify. I didn't buy this outfit from my dad video because I clearly think this is going to be a duplicate material or something like that. So just for a clarification, I am not recommending this to you. So I have sent request to Meesho as well to not do it again. So let's see. Number two, I picked up one yellow set. So this is how it was looking on Meesho, and I had to buy it because I wanted to make my collection a little vibrant, and I absolutely love it. In case of price, this cost me only ₹460, and the material is not bad. This is soft. This is how the sador looks. I'm just expecting a really good look out of this outfit. Again, you are getting the blouse piece, and this is the Mekhela. Color is really pretty, perfect for day event. If you want to attend any wedding during daytime, this will look really pretty. A close view of the material. This material is called AC cotton, and I have kept the tassels white. The next set I picked up from Meesho is this coral pink set, which costed me ₹503, which looks like a cotton weave and Mekhela sador, but the fabric has polyester mixed. But again, the quality is not that bad. The sador looks like this. The color is really pretty. If you want to keep your look very simple at the same time, you want to look really young, then this is the color for you. The Mekhela looks like this. You're getting the blouse piece again, and the entire set for is ₹503. So fingers crossed, hope I get a good look out of it as well. Let's see how I look. The The color of the neck set is so pretty, and I bought it from a local market, not from Meesho. Yes, this set costed me rupees 1300, bought it from local market. I want to show you how I have stitched the blouse. I told auntie that please make it sweetheart knit, but it is not exactly sweetheart knit, but works. The back side is even more pretty. I feel the back side is prettier than the front side. What do you guys say? As I have bought it from local market, the quality is top notch, and I have done the tassels like this. Okay, this is how the sador looks. This lavender color. In case of Mekhela Sador, I really like this lavender color, and if you want to stitch the blouse as your full sleeve, then yeah, I would love that even more. And the Mekhela looks something like this. And I have to mention again, guys, the fabric of this material is so soft. Even this is going to be perfect for summer. So yeah, I'm also again expecting really great pictures out of it, and if I get good pictures, then I'm definitely going to post them on Instagram. And if I post them on Instagram, then I guys expect your likes, so go and follow me on Instagram. So last but not the least, I want to show you one DIY set which I actually bought thinking that I would be DIYing this one, but I didn't get time. So one of my mother's student, she did really a good job. So as a gratitude, I really want to style this set in this video. I'm actually skeptical how I'll be looking with this color, but the Mekhela looks like this. As you can see, she has done some kind of orchids kind of fabric here, did really good. And then the sador looks like this. It has got a lot of crease lines. I'll have to iron it before I style. This was all about my last outfit. So let me know in the comment section below you guys loved my today's looks or not. Yeah, I'm excited for this series like every year. I just hope you guys are also enjoying it, and yeah, if you guys ask me how I am doing, then yeah, I'm doing really well. By the time when this video will be live, most probably I'll be in my 4th semester of my MSc. So basically I'm in the last semester of my academic life. I'll not be a student anymore. So that is all about my life update. You guys will get to see what I do after my MSc and everything. In fact, we all are growing together. I just hope you guys are also doing really well. All the best, and many more wishes for this upcoming 2026 year. Lots of wishes and hugs and kisses from Charchita for New Year. Right now I'm at my home, as you can see from my background. Baki, I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep yourself excited. Also keep blessing, guys. I will see you in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay happy, stay healthy, and much love from Charchita. Bye bye. I love you a lot.